This is Chip Sprague with Home Inspection Carolina. We're looking at the foundation here in a crawl space where it's underneath a chimney. There's the chimney foundation there. You can see the foundation or base of the foundation has completely eroded or is missing, which can be contributed to a tree at the exterior of the home that is right along the exterior side that has possibly lifted up the foundation and moved the foundation, or could be an indication of obviously water intrusion causing some erosion or movement to the foundation of the home. But you can see the pad there is completely lifted, and there's probably a good 6 to 8 inches between the ground and the slab itself underneath the entire foundation of the chimney itself. This would definitely require to have a structural engineer further evaluate to give recommendations on repair to the foundation itself. Again, this is Chip Sprague with Home Inspection Carolina.